History and Evolution of Computers. 1822, Charles Babbage designs a mechanical calculator called the difference engine, which can perform basic arithmetic calculations. 1837, Babbage designs a more advanced calculator called the analytical engine, which can perform complex calculations and store data in memory. 1880s, Herman Hollerith invents the first electromechanical tabulating machine, which uses punched cards to store and process data. 1937, John Atanasoff and Clifford Berry designed the first electronic digital computer called the Atanasoff-Berry computer, ABC, which uses binary digits to represent data. 1941, Konrad Zuse builds the first programmable computer called the Z3, which uses binary digits and electromechanical relays. 1946, J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly build the first electronic general-purpose computer called the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, ENIAC. 1951, the first commercially available computer, the UNIVAC I, is sold to the United States Census Bureau. 1958, Jack Kilby invents the integrated circuit, which allows multiple transistors to be combined on a single chip. 1969, the first message is sent over the ARPANET, the precursor to the modern Internet. 1971, Intel releases the first microprocessor, the Intel 4004. 1981, IBM introduces the first personal computer, the IBM PC. 1991, the World Wide Web is invented by Tim Berners-Lee. 2007, the first iPhone is released, revolutionizing the mobile phone industry. Hardware components. Hardware components are the physical parts of a computer system that perform various functions. Here are the 5 main hardware components of a computer system. Input devices. Input devices are used to enter data and commands into a computer system. Examples of input devices include keyboards, mice, scanners, cameras, and microphones. Output devices. Output devices are used to display or output information from a computer system. Examples of output devices include monitors, printers, speakers, and projectors. System unit. The system unit is the main body of a computer system that contains the motherboard, CPU, central processing unit, RAM, random access memory, power supply, and other essential components. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to store data and programs on a computer system. Examples of storage devices include hard disk drives, HDD, solid-state drives, SSD, USB flash drives, memory cards, and optical discs, such as CDs and DVDs. Communication devices. Communication devices are used to connect a computer system to other devices or networks. Examples of communication devices include modems, routers, switches, and network interface cards, NICs. All of these hardware components work together to form a complete computer system that can process data, run programs, and perform various tasks. Computer software. Computer software refers to the programs, data, and instructions that a computer system uses to perform various tasks and operations. Software can be broadly classified into 2 main categories. System software. System software is the underlying software that runs a computer system and provides the foundation for other programs to run on. Examples of system software include operating systems, such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, device drivers, firmware, and utility programs, such as antivirus software, disk cleanup tools, and system optimization tools. Application software. Application software is the software that is designed to perform specific tasks or applications for the user. Examples of application software include word processors, spreadsheet programs, web browsers, email clients, video editors, and graphic design tools. Software can also be categorized based on its licensing and distribution, such as proprietary software, which is owned by a company and distributed under license. Open source software, which is freely available and can be modified by users, and freeware, which is free to use but may not be modified or distributed. Software can be installed on a computer system from a variety of sources, such as physical media, such as CDs or USB drives, downloaded from the internet, or installed from a network server. Once installed, software can be run by the user to perform various tasks and operations, such as creating documents, browsing the web, editing photos or videos, or playing games. Programs. Software development. Programs are sets of instructions that tell a computer system what to do. These instructions are written in a programming language and are processed by a computer to perform specific tasks or operations. Programs can range from simple scripts that perform basic functions to complex applications that run entire systems. Software development is the process of designing, creating, and maintaining software programs. It involves several stages, including requirements gathering. The first stage of software development is to gather requirements from stakeholders to determine what the software should do and what features it should have. Design. The design stage involves creating a plan for how the software will be built, including its architecture, functionality, and user interface. Implementation. The implementation stage involves writing the code for the software based on the design plan. Testing. The testing stage involves testing the software to ensure that it works as intended and is free from errors or bugs. Deployment. The deployment stage involves releasing the software to users or customers, either through physical media or online distribution. Maintenance. The maintenance stage involves ongoing support and updates to the software to fix bugs, add new features, and ensure that it continues to meet the needs of users. Software development requires a combination of technical skills, such as programming languages and development tools, as well as project management skills, to ensure that the project is completed on time and within budget.